This Coldwell Banker American Home property video is presented by Annette Harper. New. This home has been completely redone from outside to inside. See list of all the items done. Beautiful open floor plan with real hardwood floors on the main floor. Kitchen has granite countertops, island, new stainless appliances, new cabinets with self-closures. New windows throughout. Basement has a rec room and half bath and laundry room. All this sits on a large half-acre lot. New furnace and air conditioner, HW heater. Move-in ready for you. Call to see today. For more information, review the details below or contact Annette Harper at 785-267-2700.